Hello, Horace here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems in your Coinbase app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search Coinbase, right here, Coinbase, and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, there shouldn't be any issues, but if you don't have, maybe you just need to update and everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go up to the apps, here, Coinbase, right there, permissions, and all not allowed permissions, all of them like this. Go back here, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. After this, there shouldn't be any issues, but if you still got some, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go up to the Play Store back, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.